Grasshopper is a plugin of Rhino. Rhino is a simple designer program with a bunch of tools where you can do more or less everything. Okay, you do have the same tools in Grasshopper, but let's open it to Grasshopper. But you can change those different parameters all the time. That's the difference. Okay, Rhino is fixed. Grasshopper is not fixed. You work with parameters. Okay. There are two possibilities to make a point in Grasshopper. First of all, you just import a point from Rhino. So you import a fixed point from Rhino. So let's paint a point in Rhino. There we go. Perfect. Here we have a point. Then you double click, you write point, and then you see you have a point, but a point orange enlightened. That's not good in Grasshopper. If something is orange enlightened, that means that there are no parameters, no information inside this little point box. Okay, so what can we do? We just set a point, and we set the point from Rhino. So we mark the point in Rhino and we set him, and as you can see, voila, as we press here, the point is now in Grasshopper. So we imported the point from Rhino in Grasshopper. We have another possibilities if we work with parameters. We just double click and write point again. Now we want to set the point by our own. So we take the X, Y, Z point. Here we go. We have here different kind of plugins where you have X, Y, and Z, and out of it comes a point. So we go give those different informations, what kind of number X should have, Y should have, and Z should have. We plug this in, and at the end we have the point. Okay, let's do it. So here we go. We say double click, we give also information for the number slider. Let's say X should be 10, okay, Y should be 5, okay, and Z can be 20, okay. Voila, we plug those different informations into those little entries. So we have the X, we have the Y, the Z, and as you can see, here is the point, here on the top. If we change those parameters, those sliders, the point changes as well. So that's totally different to Rhino, because like in Rhino you have to move the point with your mouse cursor, okay, and here in Grasshopper you can move the point if you just change those different parameters, okay. So that's very, very important in Grasshopper, that you work with those parameters, okay, that you can change everything. And the point, okay, if you think, okay, the point is now perfectly set, you just bake something, okay, you bake it, say, okay, I'm gonna bake it with the layers, here we go, and voila, the point is inside, okay, if you move, the point is inside Rhino, so you can work on with the point in Rhino. Okay, a very simple way how to bring points into Grasshopper. There we go. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.